Hello and welcome back to Trends 9. Today I'm at the SSS and Trunk Show. Basically बहुत ही खूबसूरत exhibition जहाँ पर आपको fashion, couture, bags and home decor and so much more. I can't even count on my fingers. You will get it just in one place. Well, of course, the festive season is going on, so jewelry is a must-have, in your, of course, jewelry box. तो मेरे पीछे एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत स्टॉल है जिसमें आप देख सकते हैं बहुत ही डेलिकेट और इंटीग्रेट ज्वेलरी आपको दिखाई दे रही होगी फ्रॉम योर इयरिंग्स टू योर रिंग्स टू योर ब्रेसलेट्स टू योर डेलिकेट नेक पीसेस. तो काफ़ी अच्छी और ब्यूटीफुल रेंज है. यूजुअली ना हम सोचते हैं कि फेस्टिव सीजन थोड़ा हेवी जाए, but I feel like now the current Gen Z, if I'm being really honest, they want to go for something light that they can carry and ऐसा ना लगे कि it's very suffocating. So with me we have this beautiful lady who's going to tell me, who's the owner of the stall, and she'll be letting me know कि कौन-कौन से ऐसे new trending pieces हैं that we can carry, of course, for any festive season.
Absolutely. Hi, my name is Sanya. I'm the founder of Sylvia Jewels. We deal into sterling silver jewelry. This is all 925 sterling silver jewelry, which is hallmarked. So as we know, festive season is around the corner, and now that she's saying that she wants something which is not so heavy and goes well with I think both Western and Indian.
Yeah.
So we have a few pieces which are Indo-Western, something like this, something like these earrings.
Oh, I love this. This is really beautiful, like the coral colors, they're very vibrant.
Yes, so we have these, the jewelry in lab-grown stones. So these are lab-grown rubies, blue sapphires, emeralds, and they're all made in invisible setting.
Oh, wow.
And yeah.
That's amazing. So I'd like to ask you more about the range of the jewelry that you are displaying.
Oh, so I think everything is differently priced.
Okay.
Like something like this is 9,500.
Okay.
This is 7,500. These are 5,500. So they all vary.
So I guess since Rakhi is approaching, then brothers,
Need to give something.
Beware, because this is your chance to please your sister, especially if you love annoying her.
Absolutely.
So yeah, they have this really. Oh, I love this piece. This is really beautiful.
Thank you.
How much does this cost?
This is 6,500. With the earrings, it's 8,500.
Beautiful. And what is the work done?
So these are again rubies, and we've replicated diamonds and cubic zirconia. So basically, these stones are high quality cubic zirconia.
Beautiful. Guys, you can see आगे भी ऐसे ही delicate range लगी हुई है. So if you want to carry something which is not too heavy, जो ज़्यादा आपको ऐसा feel ना कराए कि यार ये क्या पहनना, क्यों ही पहना. So I think this is your go-to place. You should definitely come here and shop. I think अभी मैं भी थोड़ी देर में कैमरा बंद करके I'm just gonna shop. I have with me a beauty and fashion influencer. तो मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूँगी, इतनी beautiful exhibition लगी, आपको कुछ पसंद आया, कुछ shopping की?
Absolutely, I've shopped a lot here, and I'll tell you why I associated with this exhibition, because I really trust the brands they showcase. All the fashion brands that I relate to, I also did a shoot for them for the social media promotions, and styled my look using the brands of this exhibition that you have here. And beautiful collection, Rakhi around the corner.
Yeah.
So obviously, festivities are in the air, and you have everything under one roof, be it decor, fashion, jewelry, even those nibbles and all that you want. So yeah, one stop.
What else do you need when you have one stop destination at the SSS and Trunk Show?
Yes.
So it was wonderful talking to you. Thank you so much for sharing your insights. I think just stop the camera. चलो दोबारा shop करके आते हैं.